In this video, we'll install MySQL with a step-by-step process. Let me first download MySQL. Just write it down on MySQL on your web browser. MySQL, that's it. And go there, the website. There is a second section, download. Click on it. Down. You'll find it out, the MySQL community download. Just click on it. And MySQL installer for Windows. Click on it. Obviously, we have to select the second one, that is MySQL. Let me first click on a download so that download process will start. No thanks, just start now. Let me go back. Let me first explain you as well. So we have to install a Windows MSI installer. Don't install the first one. Okay. So here, when you install Windows MSI installer with 32-bit, second one with size is a 303 MB. So where you'll find it out, all the server and command prompt, benchmark, and some examples, some documents, everything you'll find it out. Let me also see that it's downloaded or not, depend on your internet speed. So you have to first download it, and after that I'll explain you how this installation process will start. So make sure that this MySQL community version should download it in your system. If you're not yet downloaded, just pause this video. First you download it, and then let's start the installation process. Just double click on it. You don't need to do anything. Just double click on it. Let me go back. Yes, it's asking the permission. It's first asking the permission. Is pop-up button is coming, and it's asking the permission with your computer that should I install any external software or not. So you have to click yes. If you click yes, then your external software, which is considered here as a MySQL, will start installation. So you'll find it out the multiple options. So first one is working for the only server, and the second one only client, which is your computer only. But if you click on the full, it will work for your computer, your server as well. So we will choose third one, full, and click next. And it will install the server and benchmark both. Benchmark is nothing but it's a kind of GUI where you can perform the MySQL operation. Click next. You do, in case if this kind of path is already available in your system, actually I just uninstall. So that is the reason the path is still exists. That is the reason it's showing here. If you're doing the first time, this kind of pop-up will not come. In case if it's coming, just click yes. I want to install with the same location. So that permission is asking. So just click on execute. It will start executing the all the feature which is available in the MySQL. The first one feature is server. First it will install the server, and then GUI, which is calling it the benchmark here. And the third one is a shell, router, documentation. In case if you require any kinds of help, you can check the documentation here, but always prefer the online documents on internet. You can easily find it out the official website of MySQL. And the last one is a sample and example. The sample and example is a kind of if I want to just perform some operation, and some table should be available so that I can check that MySQL is properly working or not. So this one will help you. So just wait for that. Depend on your internet speed. It will take time. Sorry, not internet speed. It depend on your RAM, your system configuration. It taking a time. So let's wait for it. So let me tell you, my system is a 16 GB RAM. So that's why it's a little bit faster. In case if your system is a 8 GB RAM, so it will be slow. And if you have a 4 GB RAM, it will be quite slow there. So let's wait for that. Now it's done. This process is done. Just click on next and then next. Don't need to do anything. Just click next. And here is asking that use the strong password for encryption. Click on next, is asking the password, which password you want to write it here. Make sure that you have to remember it. Otherwise, in future, you have to just do the forget password. Why should I do that? Better to make it simple password. I'll make it the root 123. Okay, just click check. Just check there. After checking, yes, it's click yes. That click next here, and then next, execute it. The all the system will execute. Let them first execute. Yes, click finish. So it's not a complete, all the installation is not completed. So the first one is the MySQL server is completed. Other one is still remaining. Let's do it. Click finish. So second one is completed and sample and example. The last one is remaining and it's asking that password. Actually, some table is already available in your MySQL. So it's asking the password which you write before. Just write it down the password. My username is a root and the password will be root 123. Later you can also change it. It's not a problem. Click check. So that means it's properly connected. Click next here. Execute it. Yeah, now everything is done. So this one is also completed. Click next. Finish. So this one is a shell. It will showing that your MySQL is properly installed. Okay. So what kind of features you will get it? Let me just remove it. You will get command line, you will get a benchmark. You can go there and apps more. You'll find it out the MySQL. You can go down, then you will find it out the MySQL is a folder. MySQL, yes, MySQL as a folder. What you will get it? You will get it benchmark, you will get it command line. So the command line will be look like this. Okay, it's asking the password root 123. I make the password. So here you can also, write some command here. CLS, okay. Okay, leave it. Show databases. Some databases already exist. So here the lots of databases is there. Okay, so you can select it any kinds of databases. I'm just doing some operations so that you will be clear that yeah, your MySQL is properly installed in your system. So let me just select any databases. I'm selecting the Sakila. So inside this databases, multiple table is available. So we can check the table, show tables, because I don't know which tables is there because I want to perform some operation, just select operation. So this kind of table is exist. I want to check the actor table. So you can perform like this, select star from actor, semicolon, just click enter, you'll find it out the entire table. So it's showing that 200 rows in a set. Yeah, all the table is showing. So this one is a command line, but for your convenient, you can also go through it benchmark as well. Either you can select with directly search with the benchmark. Sorry, not a benchmark, workbench. Workbench. You'll find it out MySQL Workbench. Just click on it. So Workbench is opened here. It's asking the first password. Root 123 is my password. You can also save it. Just click on save, or else every time you can pass the password. That will be better. Otherwise, in the future, you'll forget it. But that is not a problem. You can also find it out the password. Yeah, yeah. Put the password again. Okay. So this one is a kind of command line. So whatever code I just use it, you can also use the same kind of code is here. So it will not written automatically. Actually, I wrote before. That is the reason it's showing. The same thing you can also perform show databases. Okay, so databases, because the multiple databases is there. You can, here is the run command. The first one is used for the entire script. The second one is a line by line. So even when you just hover the cursor here, you'll also find it out the what features is there in this kind of buttons. So you can click on it. Yes, the green is showing that your line, your script is executed successfully. You can also use this the same thing, use uh, information schema. Yeah, MySQL, I'm just using second table name is a MySQL. Okay, you can also execute it and show the tables. You can also see the tables as well. So multiple tables is here. So let me just use the func table, select star from func. So you can see that entire tables as well. Currently, nothing is available here. So this way you can do the entire operation, the MySQL. So hope you understand the entire process, but in case if you face any issues in installation, you can just write down in a chat box. Definitely I'll solve your problem.